close till I get up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jannath here. As the title of the video says, this is all about the rainbow brow tutorial and the inspiration is from NikkieTutorials. As you guys know, Nikkie posted a video 2 days back playing this brow game, and I thought why not replicate the same in a different manner with a little bit of my own innovation, and here we go. Nikkie used a method of having warm tones on one side of her brow and cool tones on the other side. However, I didn't want to replicate the same, so what I thought, let's go with the whip gear technique. Yes, so I wanted to have one side of my brow with violet, indigo and blue, followed by green, yellow, orange and red on the other side of my brow. She used the new launches of Kat Von D's brow pomades. However, they are way too expensive in INR, and you guys know about the customs, right? And there are no hard and fast rules as far as makeup is concerned, so I thought why not go ahead and use the existing product, which is the Clear Cosmetics pressed glitter eyeshadow palette. This particular palette do not cater to my need of yellow and orange, hence I had to compensate the yellow with gold and orange with a copper. I hope that's fine. I'm almost done with it except for the tail of my brow, for which I'm going to use the blue and fill it in. Importantly, for this look, I went in with a bare face as it is Ramzan and fasting time, and it is not advisable to go in with foundation and a lot of makeup on face. Hence I kept it very simple with lips and eyes filled with minimal makeup. I'm sure you can see me dancing as I'm almost done with one brow and moving on to the other one. Undoubtedly, it's a fun time with this brow game where one can incorporate a lot of creative thoughts in order to win the look. The only thing that sucks about these glitters are the fall-offs and the mess it creates. It just gets scattered all over your eyes, your lids and on your cheeks, and you will have to use brushes and tissues and wipes to take them off. It's not a joke, girl. There are intensifying primers, glitter setting oil as alternatives, but still, you know what I mean, right? Here comes my other move of dancing, as I'm so excited with this rainbow drill. With that, we have completed this entire rainbow brow game. Yes. I'm now going to wipe away the excess using an earbud, and with that we have completed the entire look. If you're watching this video for the first time, or if you are new to my channel, please hit the red color subscribe button below, which is absolutely free, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about all my future video uploads. Lastly, please give this video a thumbs up, which would mean a lot to me, and drop in your thoughts in the comment section below. I shall soon see you in my next video. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the glimpses of this look. With that, this is Jannath saying bye.